Puey, where are you?
I'm here.
Let's do the video.
Yeah.
Whoa! $1 billion!
Oh my!
What are you going to do with $1 billion?
Well, definitely first, I'm gonna need a robot to feed me pizza. I shall call him 3Pizio. Then, of course, I'm gonna do the second most important thing. Buy an entire video game store.
Whoa, all to yourself?
It's all mine. Then I'm gonna buy a spaceship. Hello, everyone from space.
Yeah, I know.
You know, having $1 billion and just spending it on yourself is not what you think.
I know. It'd be so much better if our friends were here.
If I could do it again, I'd do it differently.
What would you do, Puey?
Well, first I'd buy lunch for Gruff and her friends.
Hey, thanks, Puey.
Also, I'd make sure no kids anywhere were hungry.
Oh, that's really great, Puey.
Oh, I would invest money to keep our Earth clean and prevent climate change. Like keeping our rivers beautiful and our oceans trash-free.
You know, we could buy solar panels for every house in America.
Yeah, now you're talking.
Puey, you are quite the guy. You realize that it makes you happier to be generous.
And that's a way to make this a good day.
I'm not sure how we're going to get back to Los Angeles.
Little help
Anyone?
here.
Hello?